For this question, we need to select all of the following that represents an equation that has the solutions 2 with a multiplicity of 2 and 0. What does it mean to have a multiplicity of 2? That means this 2 is going to happen twice. That means that it's not just going to happen once. For this equation, x equals 2 and x equals 0, which is really close, except it's missing that multiplicity aspect. And that's where we get this coming in handy right here. This x out front is going to equal 0, but this x minus 2 in here is going to equal 2 twice over because we have an exponent of 2. So B is one of our answers. Now, C and D are not factored yet, so we're going to need to factor them. This is actually going to be x minus 2 squared, and this is going to be x times x minus 2 squared. Now, this and this are exactly the same thing when factored, so this is an answer choice here. This has the multiplicity of 2, but it's missing the 0 aspect of our solution that we still need. So this is not going to be an answer choice. When it comes to looking for multiplicity in graphs, it is where your graph touches but does not cross the x-axis. So looking at this function here, we cross the x-axis at 0, and right here at 2, we touch but don't come up again. So this is actually a multiplicity of 2, and E would be the correct answer. Looking at this over here, my solution would be negative 2 with a multiplicity of 2, and then crossing at 0. But my solution isn't a negative 2, it's a positive 2, so it's not F. And then G here touches at 0 and comes down, so 0 has the multiplicity of 2, and then crosses my x-axis at 2, meaning there's only a multiplicity of 1. And that's the wrong order. I need 2 to have the multiplicity and 0 to just cross once. So your final answer here, B, C, and E, all are equations, functions that have solution 2 with a multiplicity of 2 and 0.